In our crypto course for beginners, which you can find on our channel, we talked about different ways to earn from cryptocurrencies. You can buy and sell, trade, invest, mine new tokens, buy ICOs, stake, and there are many other ways. If you're a beginner and starting with a small budget, or even if you have experience with cryptocurrencies but you want additional earnings, there is a nice way to earn money without initial investment or with very little investment, and that are crypto airdrops. Watch this video until the end and find out what are actually crypto airdrops, how much you can really earn from them, how to participate, how to protect yourself from scams, the top 5 airdrops we have selected for you, and you will get a free diary to guide you with all the projects you participated in. What is actually a crypto airdrop? Airdrops include crypto projects that send free tokens to their communities as their marketing strategy to help drive adoption and usage. Look at it from the perspective that you have created some new cryptocurrency. The main idea is to send newly minted tokens to hundreds or thousands of different wallets with the aim of making the recipient more inclined to commit to the same project. Most new projects allocate 5 to 50% of all tokens for this very reason. They give free tokens to most people, and in return, they ask those people to complete some tasks. Depending on what kind of project it is, whether if it is a blockchain, a play-to-earn project, an application, or something else, the tasks also depend. This can be tasks from sharing their post on Twitter account, joining a Telegram group to grow their community, converting one token to another to improve liquidity if it is a DEX exchange, sending or receiving a transaction using a specific crypto platform or wallet, and even buying a small part of their new token and other various tasks. They as a project have various benefits from this, because first, they can distribute their token in this way to more than 500,000 wallets, and later, when they apply to any exchange, they can get approved more easily. Furthermore, recipients of these tokens are incentivized to increase awareness and help the project reach a wider audience once the token starts trading on an exchange. The more interest surrounding a token, the more likely it will rise in price. Some tokens do not have pre-sale at all. They only have airdrops through which they distribute tokens to people who have supported the project, and after all, they immediately list on one of the exchanges. We, as participants, have the benefits of getting free tokens, and later we can sell those tokens on exchange for money. However, not everything is free. In addition to the fact that some projects you have to invest a few dollars, you have to spend time to complete certain tasks. And I hope that you value your time, and that's why you don't want to participate in some stupid projects whose tokens you won't be able to sell for money worth your time. That is why we only participate in well-analyzed projects which we believe will be successful in the upcoming bull market. And we will share such projects with you at the end of this video. How much can be earned from crypto airdrops? I will give you a few examples. OpenDAO's token delivery rewarded all creators who had previously transacted on the OpenSea NFT market. Recipients didn't have to complete any task other than to download the tokens from the website. The airdrop helped OpenDAO grow its Twitter followers to over 60,000 people, and more than 120,000 wallets claimed the token. In 2020, the Uniswap exchange gave 400 Uni tokens to all wallets that used the exchange, even if they did just one token swap. If we convert the price of one token now, it is more than $3,000. Then, if you did just a few tasks on Celestia website a few weeks ago, they will award you with 160 Celestia tokens, more known as TIA. One TIA token is currently around $13, which means that you could cash over $2,000 at this moment. And I definitely think that Celestia is a good project and that it will have a lot of growth in the future. The more and better projects you participate in, the greater the chance to earn handsomely. especially since we are still in the beginning of the bull market and the most tokens will only see significant growth in the next 2 years. The important thing is to be careful because with airdrops, there are big number of scams. Scammers create fake websites where when you connect a wallet, they can easily access your funds. That's why it is important that you access it only from the official announcement. Official announcements are most often on the official website, Twitter, or in the Telegram group. As you could see, we have selected several projects for our followers that you can participate in and have written a step-by-step explanation of what needs to be done. You can find a link to our blog in the description of this video. Most of these projects are going to be available just for a few more days, and you don't need more than 1 hour to complete all the tasks. So if you decide to participate, it's better to do it right now. You can also bookmark this page because in the future we will update this page with the new projects and we will delete ones that are not active anymore. Some special projects we'll share in our VIP Telegram group. Right now, you can sign up and secure a discount for our VIP Telegram group that we will start with in January. All our students who already purchased our Crypto Masterclass course and all the people who buy our course until the January 8th will be automatically subscribed to lifetime membership of our VIP Telegram group. All the other interested people and people who buy the course after the January 8th will pay monthly subscriptions. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel for all the crypto news and announcements. That will be it for this video. I hope that you liked the information I shared with you. If you did, please consider giving us a like, comment, or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.